I am going to show you how to create a custom resolution for your monitor using the Nvidia Control Panel. First, open up your Nvidia Control Panel. You can do this by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting Nvidia Control Panel. And if you don't see it, you can also search for it in the Windows search bar. Once the control panel opens, on the sidebar, you will see Change Resolution under the Display group. So go ahead and click on that. Make sure the monitor you want to customize is selected. Next, click the Customize button, which you'll find under the resolution settings. This will allow you to create a new resolution. Now, click on the Create Custom Resolution button. This will open a new window where you can manually adjust settings like horizontal and vertical pixels, refresh rate, color depth, timing, and more. After entering your desired settings, click Test. Your monitor will briefly switch to the custom resolution to see if it can handle it. If the screen glitches or crashes, it means the settings aren't compatible. If the test is successful, follow any additional prompts that pop up. Once you've confirmed the changes, your custom resolution will now appear in the available resolution options.